Hello, ladies and gents, and welcome to part 2 of Ratchet and Clank Future Tools of Destruction. This here is my pal Ratchet, on his back is Clank, and in his hand is his trusty wrench. And as you can see, he sports his grand boots, getting on the train tracks like he should not do in real life, because that's ridiculous. But one day, when I have the potential, I will record the original Ratchet and Clank games for you guys. I'm not the best at them, but it's pretty much the same concept moving forward. I'd just say the first one especially is a little meatier and meat like steak meatier. In challenge, like enemies and stuff get harder, but you don't necessarily get stronger. You get stronger weapons and stuff. Like in this game, each gun upgrades versus that one. Like you have the pistol.
Ratchet, the planetary defense center is 200 cubits below us. How do you propose we get down?
I don't know. I'm kind of winging it right now.
That sounds tasty. Yeah, the best way to take out the enemies in the bridge scenes. Grenades! Forgot what it was called there for a second. Yeah, just serving the universe among grenades. For anyone interested in knowing that. Ooh! Fun fact. This first game takes serious, 6-axis control. What I'm doing right now is I'm tilting the controller back and forth and getting hit by vehicles when really you should be avoiding them. And try to land. No, it goes into a cutscene.
Looks pretty quiet. Where's Quark?
Greetings, citizen. I'm away from my post at the Planetary Defense Center. Please enter the number that best describes your emergency. If you are being attacked by radioactive amoeboids, please press 1. If you've been ingested by a mutant space eel, please press 2. If your city is being attacked by a massive deadly space armada, please press 3.
I believe you may be their intended target.
You think?
Okay, now we're really gonna get serious here. Like, what are these guys' problems? Why are they after Ratchet? Fuzzy little guy. Oh, that's a train. My phone was buzzing. Actually, 1 second. Hello? I'm sorry, there's no one at this number by that name. And we're back. Fun fact, I just got a phone call from Josh.
My sensors are picking up structural damage to the grind rail.
Really? Alright, Clank, what would I do without you, buddy? Oh no! How could you? How are you staying up?
Ratchet, that warship is gaining on us.
I mean, that's not. I wasn't thinking. I was too busy trying to think of something witty to say. Nothing. Ha! That time, I'm pro.
in the universe. Truly a pathetic specimen of the race, I'm afraid. So weak.
And you are?
Emperor Percival Tachyon, Crown Prince of the Cragmites, conqueror of space and time, and, pending the obliteration of a few insubordinate species, ruler of the universe.
Your name's Percival?
Emperor! See the crown, see the scepter, the giant walking throne and legion of loyal robotic commandos, Emperor! Not that a treacherous furball like you could... What's this? Such a primitive robot companion. And your kind used to be such renowned engineers.
Oh, I'd be careful if I were you. He's got posomorphic blaster cannons in each fingertip.
My gripe is not with the people of this arcade planet, but with you. Surrender your deathbot, and simply allow us to kill you. No one else need be harmed.
Fair enough. Here you go!
Autopilot engaged.
Whoa! Hang on, Clank!
Hyperspace boosters online. Engaging Cryosleep.
Cryosleep? No. There's no way I'm gonna...
It is fortunate Cryosleep does not work on robots.
His ass is inside.
Clank! Clank! Are you okay? You got knocked out there for a minute.
I am fine. Where are we?
Beats me. Ship must have run out of fuel while on autopilot. Come on, we need to find another ship and get back to Kerwine.
Yes. Jungle abandoned. Unfamiliar territory. You know what that says to me, guys? Next time on Commander Garrus' channel, we will venture through this strange terrestrial jungle planet. Find out what those goggly-eyed adorable things are and what that thing there in the background. Kind of bright blue going around right there. Well, we're gonna see what that is. We're going to explore and possibly be survivalist expert number 1, Ratchet, with his trusty sidekick, Clank. See you next time, guys. Oh, and I would really appreciate it if you guys could give me a thumbs up. It would really help, and, you know, if you like the videos you're seeing so far, you know, subscribe. That'd be cool. I'd appreciate it. Hope you